guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe, and after that you click the bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload any other new video. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make coated peanuts. So let's get started. These are all my recipe for making coated peanuts. I got 1 cup of peanut, 1 cup of flour, half quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper is optional. I have my 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 2 tablespoons of water, and cooking oil for frying. So let's get started. So first of all, your salt to your water, sugar to your water, vanilla to your water, and you have to stir. You have to stir until you don't see these sugar grains anymore. You have to make sure your sugar is fully dissolved before using it. I'm adding my chili pepper to my flour. You just have to keep repeating the same process until you achieve a coated peanut. So what you are doing, you can see some of them is already joining. So what you do, you separate them with your hands. You have to separate them with your hands. Shake it here. So you have to put a sieve it, sieve the flour out from it. So this is my last one. So you can see that my peanut is fully coated. Guys, you can see I've finished coating the whole of my peanut, and I've been able to preheat my oil. So my oil is hot now. So at this moment I just want to throw one into the hot oil to see if it's ready for me to start frying. So right now I have to pour my peanut for frying. So when you are frying, make sure you keep stirring to avoid it getting burnt. It's a very easy recipe. Instead of you buying at grocery shop, you can make it for your kids. Not hard. Just keep stirring it until it's fully fried. You can see I've finished frying my coated peanut. You can see how it's looking. It's looking crunchy, tasty, and spicy. Need to have a taste. This really tastes nice. Please guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give it a thumb up. I need your comment. I want you to share. I want you to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye, and God bless you.